Hi everybody, welcome to another update on the stock screener. It seems people want me to make a lot of videos, so I got a request on Sigma Lithium. We will talk about this in this video. So what has Sigma Lithium done since the top? It has dropped by 75%. Is it a buy now? The only way to know is to look at the NPV flow chart. I said it could go to $10. Let's see where we stand now. First of all, I want you to look at this chart. And you can see already lithium is going to be bearish. And this is from February 2024. So it's not the best sector to be in currently, according to analysts. So it's going to drop and then maybe rebound a little bit by the end of the year. And that's the outlook. It's better to go into copper, even in gold. So there are alternative silver instead of buying lithium. So that's the first thing. You are in the wrong sector. You are in the wrong sector. And you can see that from this. Now the valuation. Let's look at the valuation. Basically, it all depends on the lithium price. So current market cap is somewhere here. And lithium has been going up a little bit lately, but not that much. Is it going to continue? I don't know, but I wouldn't bet too much on that. It's still overvalued. Currently, it's at the upper range at phase 3 production. We are currently only at phase 1 production, so the gray line. So based on gray line, this should fall another 30%. That's what I would guess. But if lithium keeps on rising, then there could be a bottom. But I wouldn't bet on lithium to rise too much. Let's look at the NPV flow chart now. NPV flow chart is here. So costs around 500 to 600. Production 270,000 now and going to 700,000 in the future. Some capex involved for that. Of course, interest needs to be paid, and SGML is also added because that's not in the costs apparently. And then 16% tax. I used the spodumene price of 1045. And I just discovered one interesting thing. They only get 90% of the spot price. So I added 90% of the spot price now because they get 7.5% of the lithium hydroxide price from Glencore. That's about 90%. So I deducted that here on the revenue. So this is the NPV flowchart then, and you can see that the cash flows are coming in, but they will not go to your enterprise value, which is 1.4 billion. Still overvalued, according to me. So I wouldn't buy it. And I don't see spodumene going up too much. So I still see it dropping like 20%. That's possible. 20% lower. That would give us this valuation, 1 billion. Yeah, 1 billion would be a good buy for me. 1 billion would be a safe buy. but not 1.4 billion. Currently, the cash flows are not good enough for me. In the future, they will go to a PE of 6. That's better. Yeah. So, and then taxes will also increase at some point. So now they get 16% tax, but at some point the tax will raise to 34 again. So yeah, then the valuations go back to a PE of 7 at the current spodumene price. Yep. It all depends on the spodumene price. Maybe it goes back to 1,500. Who knows? And if it goes to 1,500, then there's upside. Then you can see there is 20% upside. Yep. So it's a gamble play on the price of lithium. But I don't like to buy companies betting on the price going up, right? I want to buy companies that already are undervalued at the current price. And if the price goes up, then it's more undervalued. That's what I'm looking for. And I'm not looking for companies that will only go up if the lithium price goes up. I'm looking for companies that already have a curve like this above the enterprise value. And if the price keeps rising, then the curve will improve. This one is overvalued at the current lithium price. So that's my take on it. I would not buy it at this price, and I'm waiting for 1 billion. At 1 billion, I will get interested. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.